Hi guys, my name is Yara and today we will try to create some sketches on top of already existed art. Guys, if you remember, if you checked my previous video, we was trying some watercolor, we was making some exercise and we have created some art, small 3 circles, very colorful, nice, so I think it's a good start to create some other art on top of it. So I decided to take my pencils, my liners, my pens, like colorful that I had, and try to sketch something on top of it and also develop my imagination. So from some of like black, pink and blue and green, I decided to take black and I'm gonna like use my green blue circle, and I wanted to create some kind of look of flowers, my most stylization of flower, and let's see what's gonna happen. So I didn't prepare in advance for this, so I'm doing whatever I feel, whatever I want. So I also should suggest to you, you can repeat or also you can create some your personal art. It's really good exercise to develop your imagination. And also if you pick some size of the paper that you can maybe make as a postcard in future and give it to your friend for birthday or for any occasion. So it's really good and nice, interesting way of making art. When I'm done with my base, you see, I'm going to try to add some volume. I really like some more volumed art. So even to my sketch, you see I'm trying to do double line. So this double line will make it feel like this kind of flower, a little bit like a kind of 3D, in very little bit of course. But it's very nice, it kind of gives it life, I also call it this way. So try it, and I think you can add it for a couple of them like I did for only first layer, or you can do it for every single layer, also based on your wish and your imagination, whatever you feel. This is a good exercise to transfer your feeling on the art. Also, if you want, you can add like different colors. You can play maybe for this particular color of the circle, a background of watercolor. Maybe it's good to use like blue, maybe like red will work as well. But I decided to stay only with black for this one. Develop it as much as you want. Try. Create, do layers and layers and layers, and you will see how nice it will be. So it will be really nice, and as more layers you're gonna do, as more 3D it's gonna look. For my pink one, orangey and yellowish one, I decided I want to do flower again. So, and in this case I want to do some rose. So again, I am painting from my imagination, whatever is in my head. I'm just trying to take something from my head and transfer it into the paper. So it's not something I don't follow any pictures, so it's why I'm trying to create some abstract rose. As I mentioned before, it can be really nice if you want to create postcard from that. So it's nice, personalized. I'm sure your friend or whomever you're gonna give this gift will really appreciate, because it's gonna be handmade postcard. Really nice. And we have left one more circle, which the last one is purple and yellowish one, and I will start it and you should continue on your own. So in this way you're not gonna repeat what I was doing, you will just create your own art. It's really interesting, so I suggest you try it and share with me what you gonna end it up with. I would really appreciate if you let me know if this one was useful for you, and if it really was, I will appreciate if you're gonna give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss my new content. So, and good luck guys with your art, and I hope your imagination will work really good.